Hi everyone, I'm here with this cool new product called AlwayStart. This connects to your battery and interrupts the wiring between the battery and the car, and it monitors your battery's juice, and if there's a draw in your battery, it will shut off the connection and leave just enough juice in the battery to be able to start your car when it's time to start it. So let's talk about the details. So this is a perfect product for those people that have a weekend car that they don't drive too much, or maybe a boat or a truck that sits for many months, and then when you go to fire it up, you need to make sure that the battery's not dead. You don't have to think about using a charger anymore and sitting on a trickle charger with an extension cord, because this has you handled. There's a solid state relay in here, no moving parts. This can handle 1200 cranking amps, 200 continuous amps, and we have a monitor down here to show you how much juice is left in your battery. That's very convenient. And then we have a little warning light here that will come on if you have a dying cell in your battery, or maybe a dead cell. It's kind of saying, hey, time to replace the battery. A couple other features are the on and off buttons. So the on button, when it's on position, it's monitoring the volts in your battery. And if it sees a parasitic draw and it's going below where you're going to be able to crank the engine and start your vehicle, it will cut off tie, and then you will have just enough juice left in the battery when it is time to start it that it will fire up. That's super convenient to saving your battery, but then also you could run it on off. So as soon as you get out of the car, turn off the car, hit off, then it's fully disconnected, and now your battery will be at the same juice it was last time you turned it off, and you come back over, hit on, start your car, you're good to go. So we've installed the AlwayStart here on the truck. Connects to the positive and negative terminals of the battery, and then to and from the AlwayStart to the truck's wiring. You can also see that the on-off button is active right here. So the Corvette behind me gets driven 7 to 10 times a year, so it's a perfect example for AlwayStart. AlwayStart keeps the battery with just enough juice in it, so when it's time to fire it up, it's ready to go, and we don't even have to use a trickle charger. AlwayStart Kickstarter crossed 6 figures in the first day and already has hundreds of backers. Make sure to back their campaign while it's still running. Their Kickstarter page is linked in the description below.